Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. So glad you're here. Hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button. We do subscription boxes, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. Please do stick around. All right, for today, I have a trunk club unboxing for you. This one doesn't look too big, does it? Must mean it is packed with summer clothes. If you are new to my channel, I'm Laura. This furry bum over here is Xena and Wyatt, who I'm sure you will see in just a minute. I don't think you can see him at all. He's on bug patrol, but I'm sure you'll see him at some point during this video. All right, Trunk Club is through Nordstrom. If you use your Nordstrom card, there is no styling fee. Otherwise, it is $25. You get 10 styles, and they can range from shoes, jewelry, intimates, accessories, clothing, coats, whatever it is you desire. And it usually runs the whole gamut of what Nordstrom carries, which is super fun, lots of variety. You do get to preview your items. I think you have 2 days to check those out before they'll just send what they'd picked for you. You can take items out, put notes for your stylist. They'd use a stylist team, so someone will usually curate that first collection for you. You can take items out, ask for them to add additional items, and generally a different stylist will pick up that next request. Here's what I see when I open my box. It says, and now for the fun kind of unpacking. You'll see everything does come in plastic, if I can get this box open, which I will take out of the plastic for you. Looks like I have jewelry in here. And you do get a little card here. Let's see if I can find it. It's white now, it used to be blue. That will have all of your pricing information, notes from your stylist, as well as a return label and stickers to seal up your box or your trunk for returning. It does go FedEx. All right, let me get everything out of the plastic and we'll run right through it quickly. Okay, so lots of fun, interesting things to share with you today. First up, it looks like I have a blouse. This is a little blouse by Cece in this pinky color. Looks like it could go off the shoulder or not. A little bit of that ruffly sleeve. That's what it looks like. All right, it's in a nice, almost like a crepey material. Okay, then I have a tank top. This one is by All Saints. This is very, very pretty. Very silky. Check out that little ring in the back there. Like that color. Has a nice scoop neck, and it does come in there in the back like a little bit of a tee back. Okay. I have another top here. This one is really pretty. This one is by One State. Just shake it out a little bit. Has the tie front, that flutter sleeve. Very cute. All right, next up I have shorts. These are by Caslon. With Trunk Club, you do get to swap styles if you want. So they presented me with a different pair of shorts, and I picked these as one of the alternative options. So just FYI, I like the colors in these. Hopefully they look pretty on. They have the tie waist, cuffed bottoms. They're a little bit wrinkled from the packaging, aren't they? Might be a wrinkly try on, I'm worried. All right, next up I have a dress. This is by Chelsea 28. This looks like it could go off the shoulder too if you wanted it to. Has that little bit of the gather there in the front, right in the middle. It looks like it's going to be a midi length at least, maybe even a maxi on me. The colors in this are really pretty with that red and the faded red and a little bit of white. The back has some smocking. It's very pretty. All right, the next, what is this? I think this is a jumpsuit. This is by Fourth Reckless. Has like that button front, like a shirt, sleeveless shirt style, but it's a jumpsuit. That's cute. Pockets, pinstriping. All right, and then I have a pair of cut from the cloth Gidget frayed shorts. All right, that's all the clothes. I have some fun accessories here. A pair of earrings. Check out how colorful these are. These are Kendra Scott. Those are a nice size, right? Like all that color detail around the side. In the middle is orange or coral. We'll go with coral. Okay. I have shoes. These are by Mark Fisher. They are a flip-flop, but with a heel, little heel. Check out that little kitten heel style, squared. Okay, and my last item, Sunnies by Quay. An aviator style, it looks like here. All right. Quay, Australia. Oh, those are nice. They fit nice. And that is all of the pieces. So we're going to get right to this try on and see how they look. Okay, first outfit. I've got a bunch of stuff on. So I got these fun sunglasses, these really great shoes. I love these. I think they might be a little slippy is my only problem, so I have to think about that. These shorts, which are a great linen. I just have to get, I was going to fluff these out for you, but I already had stuff in the dryer, unfortunately. But how great is the length of these, the pockets, and then the blouse, which matches these shorts perfectly, which is probably why she picked it. All right, so here's the full look. I feel like I'm headed off to an outdoor barbecue, right? Or an outdoor event of some sort. I think this is a great outfit for that. So, as I said, I really do like these shoes. So I love a silver shoe. They go with so very much. I love that this has a tiny, tiny bit of a heel, but nothing major. So far, very, very comfortable on. It has the squared toe, which is super in right now, and it has that little tiny squared heel. So I'm going to wear these with several outfits. You guys get a good look at them, but I think they're super cute. The shorts, as I mentioned, really great length. I love the colors in these. I think I would like them better if they didn't have the wrinkles, and obviously it would give us a little better idea of how they look. But I think these would be great for many, many events. Very pretty. Don't mind the tie at all. I love the colors. I love that they have the dark blue, the light blue, that little bit of green in there, the pink. I really do like them. All right, so now we have this top, which I think goes really well, but I'm not so sure about the top. Has this smocking here all around the neckline, the flutter sleeve. I do feel like you could pull this down and wear it like off the shoulder, which maybe you're supposed to be able to. Of course, it has these little hooks or whatever, but I would have to cut that out because it'll drive me crazy. But every time I move, it's going to pop right back up again anyway, so I probably wouldn't even bother with that. But I'm not sure about the top. Other than the fact that it goes so well with the shorts, I'm not sure that I love it. Let me know what you think. All right, let's talk pricing on all these pieces. And then, of course, the sunglasses, which I did show you whenever I tried them on. But I do think these are nice. All right, let's see here. The square neck blouse by CC, $69. The Mark Fisher Farron Kitten Heel Flip Flop in gray, $109.95. The straight belted cuff linen blend short by Caslin, only $34.30. Not bad for these, right? And the Maluma all-in 52mm mini aviator sunglasses by Quay Australia, $65. It feels like that's not a bad price, $65 for the sunglasses. I can see really well out of them. I'm wondering if they're polarized, which I was trying to figure out. It doesn't say that, so I'm guessing not, because they probably would have called that out. Right? What is Zena doing over there? All right, let's do another look. Next outfit. All right, so now I have on this crepey white tie front top with the cut jean shorts. I love the simplicity of this outfit. Grab your sunnies, off you go. Kept the little flip-flops on with this, which give you that little bit of heel and I think dress it up a bit. I wish I could have thrown this stuff in the dryer, but my son's work clothes are in there and I just didn't think it was a good bunch of clothes to throw this in with and try to fluff them, because I think that would have helped. But I think this is a really pretty lightweight summery top. So pretty. I don't even mind the tie. I probably wouldn't tie it, but to show you all what it looks like, if I did, here's what it looks like. There you go. So you could tie it. I personally think I would just leave it open. Makes it feel much more airy. Has the flutter sleeves here. You could even do a fun little bralette under this if you wanted to. I did a front tuck, but you could leave it out. The jean shorts are a great length, so they have a fun little fray hem, but there's not a lot of distressing. These are the typical cut from the cloth. I think these are my regular size and a 2. Let's see. Yeah, which I like in the shorts. I tend to go down in the jeans for some reason, but the shorts I tend to like to leave it a little bit. I do have room on my waist, so I technically could go down, but then I feel like they would be too tight and a little bit tight like here around my leg. But these give lots of extra room, which I like. All right, so pricing for these items. The Gidget denim shorts, $59. And the one state tie front flutter sleeve gauze top, $69. And we'll do another outfit. Okay, next outfit. So I put the sunnies back on because I'm still trying to see what I think of these. And I have the All Saints top on and the earrings. Okay. So this is a really pretty top, very, very silky. Has a nice little scoop neck and the interesting detail in the back. I think it might be a little big for me. It's very large under the arms, but it feels amazing on. And then the earrings are quite fun here, but I also think they're kind of large for me. Of course, I have my hair up today, so it might be better if my hair were down. I might like them better. Zena found something good, didn't she? Okay, so the L threaded drop earrings by Kendra Scott, $78 for these. I'm not sure I love them for $78. And then the All Saints Tessa Tank, $59.50. They're calling this pink. I would have called this more of a corally or salmon color, but $59.50 for this. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so now for this jumpsuit. So this is an interesting little, I guess it's romper, right, since it's shorts. Does have pockets, has a little striping, buttons here down the side, collared. And this one does not quite fit me. So it fits at the bottom half, but doesn't quite fit here at the top half. So super tight, kind of across the chest and actually under the arms, so I don't have really, it would be forced full range of motion here at the chest. I'd be afraid of popping a button. Does have the elastic waist here. It is cute, but I'm not sure I love it enough to want to size up. I think maybe it's the colors. It's kind of muted. You'd have to really dress it up, I think, with some fun shoes. I left on the earrings for the pop of color. Let me know what you think. So this one is called, the tags are everywhere, the Fourth and Reckless Miller Stripe Romper in beige, $60. Hopefully you guys are seeing all this little striping all through it. Put on a little bit of a heel just to dress it up a bit. All right, and I have one more outfit for you. Okay, final outfit. What do you think of this one? I love this one. Okay, so it does have some wrinkles to it again. And the zipper stops right here. I'm seeing a little pucker. But how pretty is this dress? Here's the close-up. Has that little bit of smocking right here as well as in the back. I'm like totally in love with this dress. So I have to decide if I can live with this or if we can be smoothed out and if I can get all the wrinkles out of it. What do you think? So pretty, right? All right, so this one was the Chelsea 28 floral slit dress in $79. And that's the last item. Let's do a quick wrap up. All right, so what did you guys think? I'm kind of in love with this dress. It has that cute little slit on the side. It's super lightweight. You could probably go off the shoulder if you wanted to, and it kind of stays off. So I feel like there's a lot you could do with it, and it's so pretty. I'm kind of really liking this one, and the price wasn't so bad, right? At, did I tell you how much this one was? Yeah, $79. Is that bad? It's not cheap, that's for sure. All right, so this one is a maybe right now. Let me know what you think. All right, so the sunglasses are cute, but I'm not a huge aviator girl. I can never put them on top of my head and they get stuck in my hair. So I'm thinking the glasses are a no. The earrings are very interesting, but the price point makes them a no for me. The shoes I'm really liking. So these I'm thinking I might end up keeping, and I know they were pricey because I think they were the most expensive item at $109.95. So, but I like them. I feel like they would go with a lot. You can kind of dress up or go casual with them. So these are another maybe for me. Okay, then we had the jumpsuit. Didn't fit me and I didn't love it. That's a no. The All Saints tank, gorgeous. Really liked it, but it didn't fit me either. It's a no. The jean shorts were great. They were a perfect fit, nice length. I'm not sure I need jean shorts, but I haven't been keeping any, so I'm going to have to double check and make sure. I've been keeping Bermudas, not regular length shorts, so I'm going to think about these. They're a maybe. What did you think of this little one state top? I love the little flutter sleeve. I thought this was really pretty. Love the light weight of it. This one is a maybe, actually. There was a lot of good stuff in this trunk, actually. More than usual for me. This one's a maybe. I liked the feminine touches of this top. This one was cute, went with the shorts, but it's not me. And then the shorts. So these I have to think about. I'm leaning towards no because I have other shorts that I think I like better. But I love the colors, the length. Not sure. I think maybe the wrinkles were throwing me off because I didn't know if the fit was the best. All right, that is everything, I believe. I will list all these items down below in case you want to check any of them out and ask that your stylist to put them in your next trunk. Or if you just want to shop them on the Nordstrom site, you can certainly do that. I will put my link to Trunk Club down below as well. If you use my link, you'll get $50 towards your first trunk, and I'll get $50 towards my next trunk. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this, please do hit that like button. Would love to hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe. If you already have, thank you. Till next time. Bye, everybody.